Jet lag. We've all heard of it, but do we really understand what it is? Is there a way to outsmart it and seize every moment of your next adventure? Well, in this video, we're about to unravel the mysteries of jet lag and reveal the secrets to conquering it. So fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on an eye-opening journey into the world of jet lag. First things first, what exactly is jet lag? Jet lag is a temporary sleep disorder that occurs when your body's internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, is disrupted due to rapid time zone changes. This disruption can lead to various symptoms, including fatigue, sleep disturbances, and irritability. Why does it happen? Jet lag happens because our body's internal clock is synchronized with our home time zone. When we travel across multiple time zones, our body struggles to adjust to the new schedule. Here are the key factors contributing to jet lag. Disrupted circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm regulates your sleep-wake cycle. When you cross time zones rapidly, it can't adjust quickly enough, leading to jet lag. Light exposure. As you journey from one place to another, the natural light you're exposed to changes dramatically. This can further confuse your body's internal clock. Meal timing. Your body's clock is also linked to the timing of meals. Changing your meal schedule abruptly can be another reason for feeling out of sync. Now that we know why jet lag happens, let's move on to how to avoid it. 1. Preparation before travel. Preparation is key to minimizing the effects of jet lag. Start adjusting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip. Stay well hydrated in the days leading up to your flight. 2. During the flight. What can you do during the flight? Adjust your watch to your destination's time zone. Stay hydrated by drinking water regularly. Avoid alcohol and caffeine during the flight. Get up and move around the cabin periodically to improve circulation. 3. After arrival, what to do when you arrive at your destination. Spend time outdoors in natural light to help reset your internal clock. Gradually adapt your meal schedule to match the local time zone. Avoid taking long naps. Power naps 20-30 minutes are a better choice. Consider using melatonin supplements after consulting with a healthcare professional. 4. Additional tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to help you conquer jet lag. Stay active and exercise. Stay positive and patient. It can take a day or two for your body to fully adjust. Make use of sleep aids only when absolutely necessary and after consulting with a doctor. So there you have it, the keys to conquering jet lag. It all boils down to meticulous preparation, adapting your routine during travel, and allowing yourself time to adjust when you reach your destination. Say goodbye to those groggy jet lag days, and say hello to making the most of your adventures from the moment you arrive. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels, everyone.